Today we're going to be making Oreo cookies ice cream. Let's begin. So you'll need Oreos, you'll need whipping cream, and you'll need condensed milk. And that's all you'll need. Now, you can gather the Oreos and let's start breaking them. Use at least 20. And do one at a time. We broke them in big chunks because we like them in big chunks, and you can break them in small chunks if you want. There. Now you can put this aside, and now we're going to be using the blender to blend our whipping cream. We'll be using 2 cups of whipping cream. Blend it until it's thick and creamy. Now we're going to add 1 cup of condensed milk. And we're going to blend it a little bit more on medium. Last step, we're going to add our Oreo cookies and then going to blend it a little bit more. This is what it should look like. We're going to put it in the container, and then we're going to leave it for at least 6 hours in the freezer.
Magnus, is this really yummy?
And if you have one of these, your kid can't lick it. If you have a sister or brother. Oof, it's been a couple hours in the freezer. Let's see what it looks like when you open it. Yum. It looks so good! Doesn't that look so yummy?
You guys gonna serve yourself?
Yes!
All right.
Why is that there?
It has to stay in the warm water. It helps you.
Magnus, can you grab yours? Yep, I already have mine.
Do you guys want to help?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me help
Yes. Magnus, this looks delicious. Do you want to try some?
you. Yes.
Let's try. Mmm. So creamy. Isn't it? It's so creamy. It is delicious. Yum. Magnus, I think we can finish this after we say goodbye. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smash that like button. Yes. Please. And see you next time. Bye. It's gonna taste really good if you have it, okay? So please do this one. Bye. Bye.